Salut Klibo, wat daar los vandag?
Mm.
Hallo, jy weet nooit wat ons gaan doen nie, bro. Ja, dit ding weer net aan. Wat kan jy nou met die pitbull, bro, van my? Nee, ding is stuk en kykie, die festival, bro, wil ek mal aan gaan, kykie. Ek wil my naam vergiet elke aan. Wie sê my, bro, ek wil uitgaan, ek wil noate maak, bro, kykie. Verhoudings is on hold as ek uitkom. O, nou sy in 'n ander kind by Retanga, bro. Toe wat sy so dik verlief, ja, dit sê ek, die boy. Op die rollercoaster, ja, te hou sy nog vir jou kwijt, sy, met my t-shirt. Sy is 'n mal jong, maar anyway, sy is my bro. Kykie, ek weet wat ons gaan dalen vandag, bro.
Boys, I'm just going to Canal real quick now. Gonna bring fish and chips later, bye.
Ja, bro, laat ons operate, ja, salute.
Mommy, the boys are planning to drink tonight. Hello, your brothers will never do that.
Yo, mommy, you also want to hear nothing from you, boys.
What mean, Jay?
Like, really, I swear on God, no? Like, they freak naughty, they gonna drink now and say.
Okay, Samantha, you in charge?
Oh, ja. Hello, mommy, said I'm in charge, hulle lang koppe. Are you big, Zay? Wat sê jy? 90-degree angle kop. Check, Zay. You wanna keep it quiet in front of Klibo? Oh, you cement, I'm easy. We're gonna drink beer and lamb. Don't catch on nonsense, yeah, there's I'm gonna moor you. I'm gonna smoke some cars now, so leave me. Bro, my bro's feesten, wat is mal? Is die December nou zo'n mal aan gaan, bro. Ik wil bos aan gaan, het is mal.
Hello, boys, I'm going to Waterfront to shopping for Christmas. Now, what you doing?
Salute, moms. Now we're gonna go a pool party. Is it alright?
Oh, nice. That sounds lovely. You guys must enjoy, no? And please don't irritate your sisters. Ze weet die girl is hier regen na koppie. Ek sien vir julle later, bye.
Bye, mommy. Say wat? Mommy sê ek sê regen my koppie, no? So julle laat op my nerves week vandag, anders had ek julle altyd moer, hoor julle. Ek gaan nou kaas daarop weet jy. Ons hy kan maak jy ja, bro, sy skakvis en ja, ons was peri de pitbull. Ons is feest, ek is ID, laat ek notig het maak. Salute, Bella.
Hello, Phineas. I smack to smoke a pipe.
Yeah, no problem, but we're having a pool party and you must come through. Yeah, I can give a Klibo. He's a mal,
Okay,
yo.
nice. I'm gonna invite my friends. Now. I'm gonna smoke pipe and then bring beer and stuff. Is that right?
Salute, ja. Ja, joh, en toe weet jy wat? En toe cheat met jy mos op Amber. Hier by die party, toe sê ek, joh, hy wil dan van my gehad het ook. Nee, hy is een hou, ek ken nie vir hom so nie. Stacey, ek ga toe terugbel. Salute, laat ons zo, ouwens. Hello, is this nou 'n pool party? Nee, fooi toch. Does he say, say you triangle cup? Nice will never be cool. You shall never ever be able to throw a liquor party like we had back in the day. Ek is way beter as julle. Weet julle hy? Check ze.
Normaal.
Salute, ons laat ons ballen gaan. Ek sê, laat ons drink, ja. Oh ja, is feeste.
Julle tas.
Ons Klibo na dat pool party, ons maar, ons lekkere syp. Ja, wat ryk kan so, bro, van my. Check. Huh? Wat maak kan so, bro, van my? Laat ek kyk. Oh, kyk hier, my bro, Klibo. Salute, ouwens, wie alles baas. Kyk hier, Klibo, naast gaat duis vandag, bro, van my. Nou, laat ons kak maak. Yo, new lashes, wist sy aan, girl. Ek is hy, girl. Kyk hoe lyk ek mooi in die foto. Let me take another one to show the boys that they mustn't cheese. Hashtag festive, hashtag still your man. Wat doen julle bliksem so mami se kar? Ha? Ons gaan nou skut. Julle is mal, julle gaat nie hier in schep van mami sê. Wat sê jy van mami? Ek waar in die Klibo sit eens en in, bro, van my. Hello, Menta, yo, when was it I see you still remember for Auntie Margaret, man? Yes, I do, Auntie's mouth always smell when I was younger. Yes, I help raise you.
Margaret, you don't let that mad child come in here.
Mommy?
Ay, plain dumps, what is it?
Salute, moms.
Hello, boys, I'll make you something to eat later and I'm just busy playing dumps. Kennis, I'm te malpille gaan, say.
Yo, Klibo, sy moes mossig uitstiek, bro, van my jar.
Hello, Pikes.
Salute, Bella, wat jy wees?
I'm alright, are we gonna save today?
Of course, I'm take my tannies cause my,
Okay, I'm gonna bring flavor with the pipe also, no?
As long as I can taste you off, though.
No, Pikes, don't keep your oog uit. Just bring koolzout, please, no?
Jare, Bella, vir jou enige ding, really. Ons Klibo, sy smaak my, bro, jare. Jare. Hy mix Skype, yo, hey. Daar die kinders aan. It's the Pikes and Klibo show. We make a druk.
Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for coming to Vanguard Mall to watch me, Maggie, and Betty play for you. We are the Temple Girls. Let's go, girls.
Say the Rito kop. Yes, that tender and OUs. I'm gonna go wait for friends and smoke cars now. Check you later, safe. My broertje ouder is 20 in. Let ik spat. Away, Pikes, wat jy wees? Salute, Risen, wat jy wees, bro? Oh ja, jare, sorry bro, ons ballen, no? Salute, ballen.
She's balling up.
Yeah, he's on going to sit on top of me. Hey, what kind with him? I swear if I was at my
Ons boer, hoekom moet sy altyd so iets stiek, bro, van my?
Nee bro, ik kan enige iets doen. Niemand kan van mij moer, joh.
Nou, los vir ballen, bro.
I swear Pikes can moor you.
Oh, zij over je steek, zij bro. Zij over je steek.
Sy boer, put him down, are you dumb?
Ek sê Bella tune him there. Ek sê on your ass sting, bra. Did you eat lamb curry last night at your posie?
Nou gaat ek jou moer.
Ja, Reklibo bro, moet ek die jong nou pap slat bro van my. Sy's 'n Frans, hy.
Sy pyk, sy's gelukkig is mens, sy kry hom ons laat in die pad en sy.
Ja, die squad Bella smaak vir my, man. Ek sê Pikes, bra, you mad? Oh, nah. Oh, your guy, if you come to my posie, bra, I was gonna fight him, really.
Oh, Pikes, come and go home and smoke a pipe before I get molly made.
Hello, you keep your steak gefried. You wanna fight boere them? I must tell mommy with your lang kop, Zoe. Mommy, Pikes, I'm a kak outside here.
Minta, please, I'm not lust for you. No, okay, just leave.
Yo, Matani, never believe me. Let me go smoke out, though.
Yo, Buta, sorry for earlier, man. I support United. My team maak me kwaad uit.
Salute, Buta, na is easy, bro, van my. Oh, Zoe, boere, I would have more you, bro, van my. Zoe, touch my, bro.
Sy Klibo praat sy weer baie, Zoe, moet ek jou klap.
Klibo, jaro? Nee, touch je weer voor Osie, bro.
Hey, nee, ouwens, I in my broek, help.
It's the Pikes and Klibo show. We make it rock. Yo, Klibo, we're not getting cash from Samantha, kin really. Kijk, iets op Baba, pa, my break, so my break, freak funny. Hello, Perry the Pitbull, je gaat je verkopen op Facebook Marketplace. Salute, Bella.
Hello, Pikes, what's my like cash here? Kijk, you must go check on Bala, my bro. Went past his house, he was like, then he was going mad in his head, my bro. No, I'm not tripping. He was like going mal and stuff. Yeah, you must go check there. Can we smoke a pipe later?
Nah, ek was gaan kyk. Salute, Bella, you alright, bro? Ek sê she broke, man. Yo, Boeta, did she cheat on you, bro, van my? I'll explain in Afrikaans. Sy het om my gecheat, ouwens op Lovers Line in 'n karm, bro. De video's on TikTok. Yes, you can check it, went viral, bro. Yo, hy is eeg, bro, van my kyk, ha?
Ik say China, she made me very upset. I'm gonna be toxic king now all December.
Hospitala, bro, van my. Yes, I don't know why I trusted females, but now I must be the most toxic guy ever. Yo, let me go. Was it for Debo, my bro? Kijk wat hulle hy, bro. Yo, Jerome is the sexiest guy working at Hungry Lion. How's it, man? So long time no see, girl. How are you? Yo, it's been a while.
Hello, Jerome. No, I wasn't stalking you. I was just, anyway, how long do you work at Hungry Lion? Do you want to smoke us?
Flipping, of course, boots.
Ja, Perry the Pitbull, to steal a guy man zijn schoenen, bro. Kijk hier, En like jas, ja, no? En eigenlijk mooi, bro. Kijk, hier gaat alle nou zijn mami schoenen te gaan. Zij denkt, ik ga krijgen wie zijn ma. Ik ben bang van Annie, bro. Zij kan maar kost, ik kan ook halen. Ik is redelijk bang, ik sta van mijn dollars. Staan ze achter, bro, van mij? Zij is even niemand die bro van mij wordt, redelijk.
It's the Pikes and Klibo show. We make it rock.
Julle huis is so klein, hulle ingebouwde kaste staan buiten.
Yo, Klibo, hoor hier.
Yo, Ska.
Oh, skaal sy van my, yo. Oh, so skill sy huil op jou rug.
Minta, what isn't going on? Nah, man, I was smoking cars last night and then my hair also got gerook and then I forgot to put on a swolkos toe geslapen en op bomme en roeier, ik had panic. You can borrow my swolkos. Salute. First I must smoke cars.
Hy Bella, sy het vir boere gedus, joh.
Thanks, Pikes.
Hallo julle duivels, wat het hulle my luite gesit en hulle skuld my nog 'n R10 van laaste keer. Ek wil nou roek man, ja, hulle wat lank, maar kwaad maak, ja. How's it, Minta?
Yo, hello Jerome, how are you?
No, I'm good, eh. Okay, lekker. Do you mind if I take a photo with in the helmet? It looks so sick.
Sy Bella skaal sy my sy. Julle is so arm, julle graffiti pa lou nie op julle brood sy.
Say, boer, your TV is so small. Michael Jackson moonwalk on his knees. When Jackie Chan shoot a backflip, then he kap his kop. Na Pikes.
Jo, af van my so sê ek slaap hier vanaand. Laat ek gaan kyk wat maak Debo. Jy. Yo, at the service. Nee, nou moet ek die trap of wat jare.
Nah, I'm gonna go home now. Must tell my mommy.
Are we gonna buy beer now? Nah, I must buy me a Pitbull. You look oulik, you look. I'm gonna call him a Rex. Nah, I must buy him. You is freak oulik.
Well, you can't buy him, eh? He's like not for sale.
Hello, wat bro? Everything is for sale. I do Forex and I play aviator. Ik heb genoeg geld. Zien ze?
Oh no, then it's all yours, eh? You can have him for 100,000 rand.
Yeah, they my Pitbull now. I'm gonna call you killer. Killer.
It's the Pikes and Klibo show. We make it rock. Good morning, mommy. Good morning, julle treinrotte. Is 'n mooi dag vandag, joh.
En nou minta, dat zij zo moeilijk. Want wat zei je?
Jerome did ask me to go picnic at Kirstenbosch today.
The fuck is Jerome het hy van my gevra of hy my dogter kan uitvat. Julle vang die kak in vandag julle.
Hallo, dit is Eva, ja.
Ek speel maar mente man, ga geniet jouself hoor jy.
No, I like Jerome. He's a very nice man. As you can see, his parents raised him right. Okay, mommy, I'll sien ek vir julle later by.
Yo, mommy, Jerome is in so taat.
Hello, Pikes, are you big? So let your sister be happy. Your family's rich.
Wat 'n kakspel op die TV ja binne.
Yo, dis my number die reg. Nou die ouens doen dit. Nou, dis 'n chas number really. Hey, laat ek spat.
Yo, I'm so excited to see Jerome, but yo, I'm dik geroek op that car side early. Yo. Erik, ek sit die man, ek wil klaarmaak by die winkel.
Hallo vrouwmens, ek kyk die horse races hier, Scottsville horse race results.
Sy, kom, moet my mal maakie. How's it, man? So good to see you. Oh, I brought my little sister. My parents said I should babysit. This is, hello there, I am Annika.
Boeta, can I please go play there on the parkie, please? Of course you can. Is this a pepper stick by I'm kak hungry? Ja, Menta, I know you dik geroek. I'm gonna go get the other copies quick. I'll be back. Thank you, Jerome. You're the chick, Zoe. Menta, what the flip happened? Yo, I don't know. Okay, just hang on, I'm gonna get a napkin vir jou gefriet. Ons sê Menta so binnen steek, ek het soekie kaktus en ek in sy room, sy kan nie staan vir my, hy is my getuie woord, ek was eerste, ek sal afval, ek sal een haat moer, as jy sukkel tussen ons woord, dis my boeta, hallo brother. Ah, jy Menta.
Thank you, Jerome, but your sister is kakski.
Ag Menta, jy smaak too much kaas.
Na, weet.
Ons klibo na die festive gaat ons te mal aan, bro, het sy kinders genooi, bro, sê ons gaan om mal aan gaan hier in die haat en bro van my.